The Nothing Phone 3 has been officially confirmed and it's arriving sooner than many expected. Carl Pei, the co-founder and CEO of Nothing, has announced that their next flagship smartphone is scheduled to launch in the third quarter of 2025. Although the company has chosen to keep most of the details under wraps for now, the anticipation surrounding this release is already building rapidly. This launch is shaping up to be one of the most highly anticipated smartphone events of the year. Since the debut of the Nothing Phone 2 back in 2023, fans and tech enthusiasts have been eagerly waiting to see how the company will evolve its innovative design and features in the next iteration. At this point, there haven't been any significant leaks or detailed teasers about the device. However, a recent video shared by Nothing offered a brief yet intriguing sneak peek into what's coming next, fueling even more curiosity and excitement among the community. In the video, we see Raymond, the product manager at Nothing and one of the main minds behind the creation of the Nothing Phone series, directly engaging with fans by answering their questions. Among the many queries, one of the most frequently asked was about the new features expected in the upcoming Nothing Phone 3. Although Raymond didn't reveal too many specific details, his carefully worded response has only intensified the buzz and anticipation surrounding the device. And here's a look at what he had to say.
How did Nothing decide what features to put on Phone 3? I decide. Well, not really me, but we kind of follow a similar framework of how many users will benefit from the features multiplied by how much they're going to benefit, and then the cost will be, well, either bill of materials increase or just the engineering workload it requires to pull it off. So we kind of assess these variables in deciding in the end whether we want to ship something or not.
Now, a major leak has just surfaced regarding the highly anticipated Nothing Phone 3. Tech insider Rakesh Chakma recently posted a striking leak on his X account, previously known as Twitter, which has quickly caught the attention of the tech world. The leak includes what appears to be the official case designs for not just the Nothing Phone 3, but also its higher-end variant, the Nothing Phone 3 Pro. What's grabbing everyone's attention the most is the unusual and surprising alteration in the camera layout, which marks a significant shift from previous models and has sparked a wave of speculation and discussion among enthusiasts and experts alike. The design of the upcoming Nothing Phone 3 Pro appears to stick to a familiar blueprint, bearing a strong resemblance to the recently released Phone 3a Pro. This suggests that Nothing may be aiming for design consistency across its Pro models, possibly to maintain a recognizable and unified look. However, the company seems to be taking a different direction when it comes to the standard Nothing Phone 3. Based on leaked images circulating online, the standard model features a camera module that is positioned vertically along the right-hand side of the back panel, a placement that marks a significant and unexpected departure from Nothing's usual design approach. This marks a major departure from the centrally positioned camera layouts that were a hallmark of Nothing's previous smartphone. Rather than being a small adjustment, this is a dramatic transformation that significantly alters the phone's overall appearance and user impression. It's not just about shifting components, it signals a potential reimagining of the brand's entire design philosophy. With this bold and refreshed aesthetic, Nothing might be aiming to carve out a unique identity in the smartphone market, standing out from the competition with a look that feels entirely new and daring. As leaks like this begin to surface well ahead of the official launch, the buzz surrounding the upcoming Nothing Phone 3 series is growing stronger than ever. But if this latest leak proves to be accurate, fans might be in for a significant visual upgrade that could set a new standard for smartphone design. The potential improvements are already sparking intense discussions online. So, what's your take on this leak? Are you more impressed by the design of the Nothing Phone 3 or the Phone 3 Pro? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to know which one caught your eye the most. It's genuinely remarkable to witness how quickly Nothing has grown and evolved in such a short period. The most striking part isn't just the innovation, but also how refreshingly open and transparent the company has remained throughout its journey. In an industry where most CEOs and top executives tend to remain quiet or stick to rehearsed, polished responses, Nothing has taken a completely different path. What truly stands out is the way Carl Pei and his entire team consistently choose to connect directly with their audience. Whether it's through social media updates, community forums, or live Q&A sessions, their level of honesty and openness is rare and refreshing. This kind of transparency isn't just a marketing tactic, it's a core part of Nothing's identity, and one of the key reasons the brand resonates so strongly with its growing fan base. Let's talk about the exciting future, specifically the upcoming Nothing Phone 3. The big question on everyone's mind is, which feature are you most excited about? Is it a design refresh, upgraded performance, new AI tools, or something completely unexpected? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. We're genuinely curious to hear what you're hoping for. Your input helps shape the community and future conversations. With that said, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you all in the next video. Take care. Bye.